By now, you should have all your basic settings in place. In this video, I'll cover the status board and its essential role in Fergus. The status board is designed to give desktop users a clear, at-a-glance view of all active jobs, their progress, and any issues that may need attention. It's all about understanding how jobs are moving through the workflow and spotting potential problems early on. To do this, the status board uses a traffic light system. Green indicates a job is on track and likely doesn't need further action at the moment. Orange signals that a job may require an action, and red means the job needs immediate attention. For instance, in the scheduling column, orange signifies that a new job still needs to be scheduled, while red means a job has been left unscheduled for over 30 days. Green means you have scheduled the job for the future, and we're just waiting for that day to come around, so we don't need to do anything with this job. Jobs also move from left to right through the columns on the board. Quoted or estimated jobs begin in the pricing column and move to scheduling once accepted. Charge up or due and charge jobs skip the pricing stage and start directly in scheduling. Pro tip: hovering over the coloured sections of the status board gives an explanation of why a job is in that stage and guidance on how to move it forward. You can also filter the job list by clicking on the table filter options, like job, date, or customer. And for quick searching, use the search bar to filter by any of these criteria. For example, typing in an address will only show jobs linked to that location. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you get the most out of the Fergus Status Board.